My lunch today will be center-cut pork chops with lime rice. Look at this beautiful marble. This cut came with bones, but I like the fatty part. I will cut it from my chops and save the bone pieces for something else. You can cook your chops whole. This is just my personal preference. Look at this. Salt both sides to your taste. Add black pepper to both sides. Set it aside. Let's play with this smoked slab bacon. This stuff is amazing. I'm going to grab a thick slab and cut it into small pieces. Set your stove to high heat. This bacon smells unbelievably good. Let's flip it and set the heat to medium. You want to get this color. Once you've got this awesome color, remove it from the heat and set it aside. We'll be using the same pan with grease that I fried my bacon slab pieces with to cook the chops. How are you doing so far? Are you following along? Your family will love this. Moving on. Cover it. Set your stove to medium heat. Since this is pork meat, I will fry it for 5 minutes on each side or until it gets this nice color and the fat is crispy. Remove it from the pan. Now discard the grease that you fried your chops with and put some olive oil in your pan. It doesn't have to be this much, I just really like olive oil. Add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Add in 1/3 of a large onion. Add 2 tablespoons of cilantro. Add your smoked bacon. Add 2 tablespoons of tomatoes. Put your hot white rice into a bowl. Add your mixed veggies to the bowl. Squeeze in half lime or a whole lime into your bowl. Mix it up. Serve it. Please let me know in the comments if this video was helpful. Your comments, good or not so good, keep my cameras rolling.